Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new tool, which is Excel notifications. So let's say that we have some dates, and in these dates, we want to make sure that we get notified. Let's say that we are checking these dates actually periodically, and we have some dates that they are coming, and some dates actually they are still like far away. So we want notifications for upcoming dates in order, for example, if we are processing data for some documents or for any purpose that these days like are important, and we want to make sure that we don't miss any of them. So I have made a tool that is called Excel Date Notifications, that you can use it to generate notifications for the dates that you have. So let's assume that we have this file, and inside this file we have dates. So we want to find, for example, the closest date, for example, and then for each date after that we want, for example, a notification from that point. So let's say that we have 2 days or 3 days left for that date. And also if that date in a specific range, like let's say these dates that we have here, for example, this one is 14th, for example, and tomorrow is 15th, then we want, for example, the minimum reminder to be 1 day, or for example 3 days. So we should get actual notifications for these 3 days, or because 1 day, 2 day, and 3 days, like 2 days after 1 day, so these are 3. And we can actually extend this range actually to get notifications for any range of dates, and this range actually is calculated based on today's date. So let's see how the application works. So let's say that we have this date, and we'll choose a file. So this is actually the path of the Excel file. And once we have this path actually set, we can set it using this button. And after we set this, we set, for example, how many like days or the range of days we want to get a notification for, and also what column has dates. So after, for let's say, let's get 5 days, for example. So this is the maximum reminder date, and this is the minimum, is 1 day only. So, and the dates we have here in the dates column, and actually is column A. So after we set these variables, we should save the settings, and once they got saved, we can close this and then open it again to load the new settings. So we have the new settings saved there. So when we click generate notifications, we should actually start seeing notifications on the right side. They are telling us that the item in cell, for example, A41, it has 1 day left, 2 days left, and so on, because this is what we are setting the days for. So let's see what are these cells: A41, 42, 43, and 44. So here, A41. So this is actually like the reminder. It tells us today, like, because today is actually 9th, so at the time of recording this video, so tomorrow should be 1 day, so there is 1 day actually left, and this is the minimum reminder. And then we have 5 days after this, like it's 1 day, 2 days left, 3 days, and 4 days left. So these are the number of days that we have left. So this is actually like 5 days. This is the 5 is the upper limit. So anything under 5 and more than 1, like equal or greater than 1, should be taken into consideration. So because of this, we have these days, and we can click actually these ones. They will go, and that's it. So we can actually have this notification system working in the startup. So there is actually, if you are in Windows, then there should be a startup folder. So I created a script in AutoWhite. So this script actually, what it does is just like gets the file, and it has a configuration. In that configuration, you just only add the like the full path of the application. So what this script do? Actually, the code in the script actually just gets the file from the configuration file, and then runs the Excel notification. And once it runs, actually, it clicks the button to generate notifications. So, for example, if you have this one in the startup, so it will start up each time you turn on your PC. So once we add you can compile this as an exe file by making compile or build. So once you build it, okay, it will be like it will show up here, and then if you run this one, it should run actually, like it should open our application, and it will press the button. So once it presses the button, it will get the notifications appearing. So you can add in the startup, and then can actually like get notifications every time you turn on the PC. So if you liked this application, please support me by subscribe, and my videos. And also you can support me on Patreon or any of the paid tools. Please support me in order to release more free tools like this one. So I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.